Hey there and welcome to Crypto Yield Pro. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you how to build your first crypto portfolio without all the guesswork. If you've ever wondered why some folks see double-digit gains while others throw in the towel too soon, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to protect your investments and position yourself for potential exponential growth. Let's be blunt. Crypto can be risky, and nobody wants to be left holding a worthless bag of coins. But that fear shouldn't keep you from exploring this revolutionary landscape. We'll tackle practical strategies to help you steer clear of traps while also revealing under-the-radar moves that savvy investors are quietly using. Oh, and if you think this guide is just for tech nerds, think again. No matter your background, these step-by-step tips are designed to offer rewards, spark your curiosity, and open your eyes to the future of money. Sounds promising? Then, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single update. We've got daily insights that could save you from rookie mistakes and put you on the fast track to achieving real results. Ready to roll? Let's dive right in. Any newcomer to digital assets first wants to grasp the core idea behind them. Put simply, a cryptocurrency is a digital medium of exchange that's built on cryptographic safeguards and runs on a decentralized network. At its core is blockchain technology, acting like a public ledger for every transaction. This structure frees people from traditional banks, giving them greater autonomy over their finances. Bitcoin and Ethereum often dominate headlines, but there are stablecoins, meme tokens, and even AI-driven ventures gaining momentum. From 2024 to 2025, cutting-edge projects in the AI sector skyrocketed, signaling a shift toward machine learning solutions in decentralized ecosystems. Despite the hype, risk remains ever-present, so security is paramount. Investors should be vigilant, as these markets can fluctuate wildly overnight. Beyond potential gains, these assets open doors to novel financial landscapes like decentralized finance, or DeFi, and immersive gaming platforms. Tools like Lido and Marinade Finance keep innovating, boosting everything from throughput to staking returns. Yet opportunities come with a need for thorough research and a readiness to adapt. Without that preparedness, individuals could stumble in this rapidly evolving field, so a solid foundation is key before moving on. Now that the basics are clearer, it's time to protect any digital holdings with a trustworthy wallet. A solid setup ensures no one else can access those funds, whether it's a hacker or a random glitch. It's like having the right lock on a front door, essential before venturing deeper into any blockchain adventure. Not only does this foster peace of mind, but it also opens avenues to engage confidently with new platforms and opportunities. Selecting a wallet depends on personal priorities, like ease of use versus advanced features. Some opt for MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet for quick access to decentralized applications, while others swear by a hardware device like Ledger for maximum defense. Whatever the choice, enabling two-factor authentication and backing up recovery phrases is critical. After all, everything hinges on security. A single lapse could leave an entire cryptocurrency nest egg exposed. Nowadays, more people are testing multi-signature options, especially those eyeing serious long-term gains or managing larger sums. These setups add extra layers of protection, making unauthorized access nearly impossible. Of course, no wallet is foolproof, so continuous research goes a long way to stay ahead of potential threats. Once a secure wallet is ready, it becomes far easier to broaden investments and move on to that perfect combination of projects and strategies. For newcomers, the first step often revolves around familiar names like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They carry a proven track record and broader usage, making them a simpler starting point. Yet stable tokens' yields can be equally appealing, especially when aiming to manage risk. It all comes down to layering different types of assets so each corner of the marketplace is covered. Digging into any coin's fundamentals goes beyond just skimming social media chatter. Evaluating market cap, daily trading volume, and community engagement can uncover real promise versus fleeting hype. Recent trends show AI and gaming-focused ventures surging, but it takes steady research to separate genuine utility from passing buzz. Ultimately, a deliberate approach to selection outperforms any quick guess. Ecosystems like Solana, Base, Polygon, Sui, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Avalanche keep innovating, offering speed and efficiency that attract fresh capital. Meanwhile, platforms such as Uniswap, Aerodrome, and Velodrome thrive on decentralized exchanges, unlocking new ways to swap and build yield strategies. Diversification remains crucial because if one asset slides, others might cushion the overall portfolio. Up next, it's time to see exactly how these picks fit into a balanced blueprint for success. Once a few tokens are in sight, smart asset allocation becomes the linchpin for true risk management. Nobody wants to wake up to a massive drop because they went all in on one coin. Splitting funds across multiple projects helps balance the good days and the shaky ones. It's much like distributing bets, so there's always a backup plan if one gamble goes south. Some swear by dollar-cost averaging, putting the same amount of money into a cryptocurrency at regular intervals. Others prefer the classic HODL approach, clinging tight regardless of short-term noise. Whatever strategy feels right, a bit of flexibility helps navigate quick market shifts, especially as new DeFi offerings emerge. Recent expansions from Aerodrome and Stargate, for example, have sparked fresh ways to stake and earn on various platforms. Rebalancing a portfolio isn't rocket science, but it does require ongoing attention to market valuations. If one asset balloons to 50% of the entire basket, trimming it back might maintain equilibrium. By periodically assessing performance and reassigning funds, investors stay aligned with ever-evolving goals. And once this foundation is in place, the final ingredient is staying both informed and safe in a sphere that never stops changing. Crypto markets shift quicker than most people expect, so staying informed is half the battle. Tracking reputable news outlets and research platforms keeps investors one step ahead of sudden volatility. It might mean subscribing to updates from platforms like the ones mentioned, or following community calls on X. This vigilance ensures there are no blind spots, especially when fresh projects and upgrades hit the headlines. From phishing attempts to pump-and-dump schemes, the threats remain varied and relentless. Double-checking website URLs and enabling multiple security layers on wallets offer solid first lines of defense. And if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Spammers prey on curiosity and greed. A dose of skepticism can save a fortune when scam tokens or fake airdrops emerge out of nowhere. Yet security extends beyond just dodging fraudsters. It's about consistent research, talking to experienced investors, and never placing blind faith in a single influencer's opinion. Even established tokens can face vulnerabilities, so verifying sources and testing small amounts first goes a long way. With these habits, one can maneuver confidently into the next stage of cryptocurrency exploration, knowing that knowledge truly is power here. Feel like you've got a firmer grip on your crypto journey now? Good, because all the strategies we've covered mean nothing if they're not put into action. So here's the challenge. Will you let uncertainty hold you back, or will you take charge of your financial future? Whether it's setting up that first wallet or carefully rebalancing your coins, the next move is yours. But why stop here? If you're hungry for advanced DeFi strategies and want to uncover the exact blueprint for building sustainable financial freedom, check out my exclusive ebook. It's pinned in the first comment of this video. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides, my personal DeFi portfolio, security tactics, and insider tips that even some seasoned investors overlook. It's the perfect companion if you're serious about scaling your gains and safeguarding what you already have. And before you head off to grab that, remember, there's also a $15 discount on any TradingView plan with my referral link. That's another way to level up your analysis and keep those insights rolling. By using these links, you'll be directly supporting the channel so I can bring you even more daily content with zero fluff. So what's it going to be? If you're ready to commit to bigger wins, subscribe now, smash that like button, and turn on notifications. After all, opportunities in this space don't wait around forever. Neither should you. See you tomorrow.